Hi guys, I've got that awful filter on again. So basically, I just want to do outfit of the day and this. Just ignore all my drinks and stuff. So normally I just use wipes. I continually wash myself throughout the day. I don't normally use deodorant, or I've used the salt one, which I find absolutely useless. The one that's supposed to last 6 to 9 months from Amazon. I don't think it's the same as a deodorant. My friend of mine said it's just supposed to stop the bacteria smell, which is obviously, it's not the sweat that smells, it is the sweat mingling with the bacteria. So it depends how clean you keep yourself, guys. Probably know that already. But I'm just trying these. I bought them from a shop and forgotten. It's been about 6 or 7 weeks, maybe more, nearly 2 months, I don't know, something like that. It's been many weeks since I've bought these water wipes, these aqua water wipes, and I can't remember what brand they are. I'm not exactly sure if you recognise them, but I bought them from a shop really cheaply. I got them for £1.73 when they're normally more, I'm guessing. They're really decent ones, but I found them, they fell out of my wardrobe. I think I must have put them in one of my wardrobes. Anyway, I've tested them, they're absolutely fine. There's just making sure that there's no scent to them, or not that I can smell. Normally I can smell the fragrance a mile off because of all my health problems. So I'm going to put those back in my bag to keep them fresh and cool. I just put a small amount of water and soap in if they start drying up. I know, you know, if it's a soap I'm safe with, and to be honest, if I'm only using on my hands, what does it matter? Because I don't want them drying up. I'd rather use mild soapy water than dry wipes. So this, like I said, is really good. Let's just have a look. I've never used this Sanex one before, but I haven't reacted. It's not overpowering. There is a fragrance. It's really nice actually, but it's very faint. It's coming from me. I like the little round thing, the way it feels. Anyway, out for the day. These I have had for years. I got them second hand on eBay. This, as you know, isn't new. I think I've done a video on this. I got this a few months ago, in recent months. A deal again from Dolls Kill. This is Dolls Kill. I don't think I've worn this before, and I think I've worn this little carrot one. I lost the first carrot necklace. It's a pink carrot. It matches with this. I'm going to pause this. So I lost the first one, I think a couple of pounds, but with all the deals I get, they probably cost me 87 pence or something. But yeah, you can see how it's green and pink there in the shape of a carrot. It does say green carrot, well, pink sort of carrot. It's faux gold, as you can see. It looks really nice. It looks, although the gold's not the most expensive looking shade, it's like a yellow sort of, almost a yellowy shade. It's actually a nice shade. It does look expensive. Sorry. Pause notifications. So it does look a sort of very shiny and glossy, so that way it looks expensive. It's just a shade of yellow. Normally when you get real gold, it isn't quite as yellow as this, but it does look good. It does look expensive enough compared to the costume jewellery, what you're going to expect. So yeah, I've got my bra underneath. It's see-through. This is ruched. This is a size extra small on me, and although I'm not really putting much weight on, again, I'm still putting some on at least. Let me just try and show you the back. You can see my bra at the back. So I wasn't going to go without it in pasties. I'm not that girl, and I need it for giving me something there, but you know, the Evening Primrose is helping, and yeah, I think this looks nice with this. So yeah, it's worth it. But because as I was saying, I lost the first one, so I couldn't find it anywhere. Then I found this, lost this one, found this one and the first one, but at least I have a spare. I think it looks nice. I think it looks, like I said, expensive enough for costume jewellery, but I'm going to show you these better. I really do like these. So yeah, outfit of the day. And it makes it look like I've got droopy boobs, but it's the angle. I don't look like I've got droopy boobs off here, but I do on here. I mean, look at these, look at the pattern, it's gorgeous. I don't normally like ruched clothes, but every so often there's something that catches my eye. So these need washing. I think they're a bit filthy, but they're obviously denim, and I've already put them out, as you know. I'm going to show you my jellies. I've got my clear jellies with silver glittering today. They're not as glittery as my gold one. So I'm just resting my leg on here. As you can see, God, my legs feel soft today. I don't know if they look soft, but they feel it. So there we go. That's all my sewing on there. I keep bringing it with me every time, and I just do the bare minimum, but it keeps building up. I've got another something to sew, so I was hoping to wear that today, although it would have been too hot. Actually, I don't know. It might have been too hot. I don't know, but I was going to wear that dress. That's what it is. It's got I'll see if I can show you. I don't know if I can get these off here. So it's it looks like that, and it's a motel dress. I got it on eBay. I actually had two, and one was so tiny that I had to get the zip taken out, and I'll show you. there's a zip on here. I had to get this zip taken out, and then they put like little elasticated, it was my idea to have it as a lace up. They put elasticated loops on, asked me if it was okay at my tailor. They did it like super cheap because I was a regular back then, because of my weight going up and down over time due to health problems. So also it's like they had like a sort of elasticated round bit, almost like elasticated white shoelace, threaded it up, so it was nice. I mean, I could have put ribbon in, I think that was just so they weren't leaving me with nothing. So that needs sewing. There's like the tiniest little hole that isn't noticeable, but I know I can sew it so it isn't noticeable at all. But I absolutely love it, and I gave the other one away. I wore it maybe once, twice, but when I put weight on again, there's no chance it was going to fit me even with a lace up back. So I managed to find this. It's really hard to get hold of, almost impossible, guys. I want to see if I can get another one in case anything happens to this. I always like a spare because I absolutely love this. It's like a boob tube dress. It's absolutely gorgeous. What I'll have to do is wear it one time when I've fixed it.